Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do so by clicking that subscribe button below. I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey family, as well as clicking that little bell beside it so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Today I have for you guys a falafel recipe, so if you're interested in seeing how I make that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, what you would need for this recipe, I have some dried chickpeas that I soaked in water overnight. Well, actually I soaked these for 2 days because I didn't get to make it yesterday. So I have about 2 cups of dried chickpeas in here, and I soaked them overnight in water. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds that I have crushed up. And here I have 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked spicy paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of smoked chipotle powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And here I have the juice of half of a lemon. And then here I have a package of cilantro. I needed parsley, but I didn't have parsley, so I'm just going to use coriander. I hope it turns out okay with this, but you can use either parsley or coriander, and this is just a package. It is 60.66 ounces of cilantro. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to rinse these off. And then I'm going to come back and we'll get started, so stay tuned. Okay, I have rinsed off the chickpeas, and this is about how much I have. That is probably about, I don't know, about 3 cups maybe after they've swollen up. So I'm going to, and I also rinsed off my parsley. So I'm going to pour my chickpeas into my food processor. I'm not even going to chop these parsley up. I'm just going to throw it in here, stems and all. I'm going to add in my 2 cloves of garlic, and these are very large cloves of garlic. This is my coriander seeds that I cracked, and then these are all of my seasonings. I'm going to put that in here as well. And I got my double blades on so I don't have to go in too much, but I still may have to. And then my lemon juice. So I'm going to put this all on here. And I do have a spatula just in case I have to go in. And since these are just dried whole, you can use a little more power than you can if they were cooked. If they were cooked, they would get a whole lot more mushier. So let's check it and the consistency of it. It smells very, very good. Leave them in here a little bit more longer, and alright, let's check it again. Oh, that's much better. And you want it to make sure that it's going to stick together like that. And I think I have a good consistency. I don't want to make it too wet, and you don't want it too dry. Could be a little bit wetter, but I'm going to leave it where it is. Pulse it a couple more times just for good measures. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to get a pan and put these on. I'm going to put them into balls, and then we'll fry them up. So stay tuned. Just gonna put them on this so I can carry them to over to the stove, and I'm gonna heat up. I have a pot frying pan with kind of like a wok, but it's not quite a wok, but it's similar. So I'm gonna put some oil in here and let this heat up, and I'm gonna make some balls here. Okay, and I have a scoop. I guess this is probably a tablespoon scoop. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm going to use this so that they all are uniform in size. Okay guys, I have some oil heating here. Let me make sure to see if it's ready yet. It's rising up to the top, so it's just about ready. We're going to give it another minute. You always check to make sure by dropping a few crumbs in here. This made 21 falafels of this size. It probably would have made 20. Some of them a little bit smaller than others, but about 20. And if you want less, then cut the recipe in half. But this is what I got because I like to freeze some. So, and I have this on medium heat. What I'm going to do is go ahead and drop a few in here. And I don't want to crowd the pan. So I put about 10 of them in here, so that's about half. And try not to let them touch, but that's what I got. And let them fry and brown on each side. So I've let them cook probably about 2 minutes on one side and then flip them to another side, and then they'll be ready. Okay, I have the second batch in. Okay, these have cooked probably for about 4 minutes each, so we're going to take them out. Okay guys, I have finished the falafels and I have them here. So I want to show you what they look like on the inside. And they're good and moist. I'm trying to cover my face so that the camera will focus on the falafels instead. See that? Now let's do a taste test. They're good. You can taste the lemony taste in them. And if that's not your thing, you can eliminate the lemon. It's optional and just use oil. And I made a little bit of dip. It's not the traditional dip with the cucumbers, but it is kind of like a ranch dip, but not quite. It got chives and dill and parsley, lemon juice, and Greek yogurt. So this is what I use on them. And I either put them on top of a salad or in a wrap. So these are good. You should try them. So that is it, guys. If you like the video, please be sure to thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, please look below. I will list out what I use for my recipe down below. And if you try this yourself or if you change up something, let the rest of the people know down below, and maybe they can find that useful as well. Once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.